Yo, what's up, you fucking pussies? Welcome back to Janine Garofalo's expedition on Mount Everest. Today we're gonna be reviewing Poppy Playtime. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay guys, let's see what we got. Oh my god, it's a VHS tape! Let's put this bad boy in and see what it does. Mom, how does this go in? Let's open this up. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, got a booklet. Here's all the things that are apparently in here. What's in here? Oh my god, guys! Guys, it's my giant scratch and sniff sticker. Alright guys, let's see what's on the other side. Oh, shoot. We need a key. I'll go play with him right now while I try to figure out where it is.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again.
We can go fast, we can take it slow. Got your claw on my back, I'm your little ho-oh-oh. He spreads my cheeks and he makes me scream. He's my number one daddy, gonna make him cream inside of me. Just keep riding me. When I'm slapping him down, it's my favorite sound. He laid out a little more, what a beautiful tone, so softly. Just keep riding me. So let's go talk about it. You look so sexy when your hands are wrapped around it. Flip me over, be my meat up while you pound it. While you pound it, you got away with your way.
Guys, the key! Let's go open the box up. Insertion complete. Oh my god, guys, we got like little mystery bags of things. Let's see what's inside them. Let's see what we got in here. Oh my god, guys, it's the Bond from Walton Files. Mickey Mouse. What else we got in here? It's a backpack keychain. What that mouth do? And cock and ball torture. Let's go test it out. That went pretty good, guys. What else we got in this thing? I think there's one last mystery package in here, guys. Oh, you know what to do with this, bro. Just oil it up. Got a good Friday night. It's fucking broken. It's broken. Well, I think that's everything, guys. But wait, what's this? This can't be a key. We already got a key. It's a microphone. Let's go test it out. Guys, I think that's it. But before we go outside and test out the microphone, let's just make sure. Wait, what's this question mark thing? That scared the shit out of me. Yo, is this thing on? When your dad least suspects that I'm going to sneak in, I'm gonna find your dad. When your dad least suspects that I'm going to sneak in, having consensual sex with your dad. And remember guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.